Hey everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over a 2021 Nash 23D. Really cool floor plan. I'm going to start off on the inside and we'll finish off outside. Follow me. Hey everybody, here we are inside the 2021 Nash 23D. We're going to start off on the front. You can see we've got a full walk around queen, lots of storage. We've got cabinets on both sides and storage above, as well as a built-in storage in the back for, you know, putting your cell phone, maybe your glasses. And then as we move through the trailer, we can see we've got a enormous U-shaped booth in this trailer. So it will make down into a second sleeping area if you need it, and you can sleep some tall folks here. Or you've got a great large place to sit around, eat, enjoy some company, play some card games maybe. Across from that, we've got a nice kitchen. We've got a bunch of cabinets above. We've got a stainless steel sink. Got good counter space, six drawers here below the sink, and then we've got the big cabinet underneath the sink as well. Nice size oven with the 3-burner stove and a built-in backsplash. Very, very good looking. And then we've got the fridge across from us. Plenty of room in the fridge and freezer there. There is a spot for a TV right next to the fridge there. And then in the back, we've got a wonderful bathroom. We've got your standard toilet with plenty of room around it, your medicine cabinet with good storage, and your sink. Hey everybody, I want to thank you for spending some time with me and walking through this video. It was the 23D Nash. If you have any questions on this RV or anything else we have in stock, don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I look forward to hearing from you soon.